Let's have a look at how to create Python files in the terminal on Mac. First, in your terminal, head over to the directory where you would like to create your Python script. Then you can use the touch command to create a Python file. All you need to do is write touch, space, then the name of the Python script you would like to create, .py. Then just hit enter. Your Python file has now been created. To verify, simply write ls and hit enter. And you should then find your Python file in the list of contents. So it has indeed been generated properly. Now, if you would like to create a Python file in the terminal and edit it right away, there's even a better way to get this done. You can use the command nano for that. So let's say you would like to create a Python file called elephant. Then you would simply write nano elephant.py and hit enter. This will create the Python file and open it up right away. You can then immediately start writing your code. And once you're done, simply press Ctrl and X. Then press Y if you want to save the changes. And then hit enter to close the document. Now when you open it up again, you will see that the changes that we made to the file are indeed in our Python file that we just created with the name elephant.py. And that's it, guys. This is how you create Python files in the terminal on Mac. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more terminal tutorials.